Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on one-handed mode and guys how to use it in Vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys both of setting guys, how can you on, how to use in Vivo V20 SE. So guys, let's see guys how to on one-handed mode. First of all, come in your phone setting and scroll it and guys click on the shortcut and accessibility and guys scroll it and guys you can see one-handed. So guys click here and guys on from this right side and guys you can see guys you can bring the small screen out by sliding inward from the edge of the screen. So let's see guys, first of all guys you do like that and guys you can see guys one-handed mode will on in your Vivo phone guys and guys you can use. So I hope friends you have understood how to on one-handed mode in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.